everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a wig install, and this is going to be a glueless wig. And the wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it's from Beauty Forever, and this is their golden brown highlight water wave wig. And it's a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace closure human hair wig. And before we get into the details of the wig, let's see what comes in the packaging. So you also get 2 HD wig caps and a edge brush as well, which is perfect for baby hairs. I like the fact that it has like a steel comb on the bottom, like kind of like the rat tail combs, which is perfect for applying glue as well. And you also have your melting band. All right, so let's just get into the wig. She is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm here for the curls and the color. I love that it is a pre-plucked wig, pre-bleached also, and it's also styled already, so it actually comes in a side part and it's already pre-styled. I don't have to cut the lace. It also has an adjustment strap at the back, which is perfect for wearing it glueless. And I'm gonna pop this on my head real quickly just to see how it looks straight out the box. Now, as you can see, I already have my wig cap on my head, and I'm not gonna do the ball cap method because we're not doing a full-on lace frontal wig. So whenever I do a full-on lace frontal wig, I usually do the ball cap method, but I don't think it's necessary for when we're doing a closure glueless wig. And plus, I wanna make this as easy and simple as possible for you guys, especially if you are a beginner. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pop this on. Now, I do think I have to adjust the straps a little bit in the back, so I'm gonna do that, and just going to adjust this like so, just so it can fit on my head perfectly. And I'm gonna adjust this one as well. I feel like when it comes to glueless, the more snug it fits, the better. Ooh, okay. All right, so I'm just gonna move this so it goes over my ear. Listen, this wig is giving summer ready, and I'm so here for this. Okay, so considering this is glueless, it looks pretty good, and I could just leave it like this, but we're not going to. We want to make it look a little bit more polished. But considering that I haven't done anything to the wig just yet, honey, she looks cute, and I'm so here for it. So as for the lace, I do have to tint it so it matches my skin a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some, not foundation, I'm actually gonna use my contour shade just to darken this up a bit, because usually I make my forehead a lot darker than the rest of my face because, you know, I like to be bronze. Okay, so I'm gonna add some of that there. Now, what I'm really loving about this wig, you guys, if you guys have been watching my video for a long time, you know I'm a side part girl. So the fact that it already came in a side part, now I will be changing up the styles just so you guys can see that you don't have to just wear it in a side part. And I wanted you guys to see what the curls actually look like before I went ahead and styled them. So this is them in their natural state, haven't wet, haven't added any products to it whatsoever. I think it looks amazing, and the hairline looks good. All right. So here for that hairline, the part, everything looks great. All right, so I'm gonna step off camera real quick and grab my contour shade, which I should have grabbed before, and I'll be right back. All right, so before I tint the lace, I actually have to add a little concealer right here because you can kind of see my wig cap poking through. I mean, it doesn't look super bad, so I'm gonna add just a tad bit of concealer. This is the one that I'm using. So this one is a lot lighter than my skin tone. Ooh, I think I should have went with one just a little bit lighter. I hate when it gives off that orange color. So this is how she's looking, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here to just tint the lace. You can also use a tinting spray if you have one. I like using tinting spray as well, but the contour works just as well too. And already it is looking so good. Now the beauty of this lace is it's already pre-cut, so I actually don't need to cut anything, which is amazing. And if you're a beginner and you are not familiar with how to cut lace, this is definitely perfect for you. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add some product on this. I'm gonna use my melting spray today and just melt this down. Before I do that, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of hair wax, like so. She is gorgeous. I love this color. Now I'm gonna go in with some melting spray, and I'm using my melting spray, my Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and this is what I'm gonna use to melt the spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray a little bit of that onto my finger like so. And I'm going to tap this onto my lace. Well, I'm gonna pull this forward just a tad bit. Now you could also use the wig tape as well for the sides, but I think I'm just gonna use the melting spray today. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to apply this melting band, and I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so since I've had that sitting for a while, I'm gonna go ahead and just remove that. Oh, she looks good. Okay, I'm gonna take out a little bit of baby hairs on this side, just a little bit, because when it comes to curly wigs, I do like wearing baby hairs. And you guys, usually my part is on the other side, but the part came like this, and I'm gonna leave it like this because I kind of like it, and I usually do not wear my part on this side. So I went in with some mousse just to help the baby hair to lay down, but usually I prefer to use my curling iron to curl it properly, but not gonna do that today. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of holding spray right here just to keep it on, because I'm gonna switch the hairstyle up a bit. My melting spray is not a holding spray. It is literally what it is. It's just a melting spray. I need a little bit of hold today with this. I'm just gonna leave this on again for another 10 minutes and I will be right back. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just remove. She is looking good. All right, so the hair is looking good. This is the finished look of the hair, and now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So this is how she's looking, and she looks great, and I'm so here for this wig. It's so gorgeous. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna back up a little, and then I'm gonna go in with some hair mousse and some water. So this is how it looks, the curls straight out of the box. Now we're gonna see what it looks like once it's wet. And of course it's curly hair, so you're gonna be getting just a bit of shedding with curly hair. So please keep that in mind. Okay, that's how she is looking. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wet the other side as well. Ooh, I love this hair when it's wet. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some hair mousse now. Add the mousse in the hair. You don't want to be like going through it all over and over. You want to let it sit and dry, or go in with like a diffuser blow dryer. Okay, I really love how it looks. All right, so I just have to pose so I can get some thumbnails, but yeah, this is how she's looking in the side. I am feeling it. I absolutely love the curls when they are styled. I think it looks good dry as well, but I really love the color. And I'm just gonna stand really quickly so you guys can see the full length of this wig. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and switch things up, and I'm gonna put this in a center part. I love this, and this is how I plan to wear this majority of the time, but I know some of you girls really love center part. So we're gonna switch it up a little bit and just to see how it looks. Listen, this little edge brush, this little edge brush is coming in real handy right about now. Okay, so this is how she is looking, and obviously I'm gonna have to go ahead and just wet that up a bit so the part will stay in place, because one thing about wigs, especially if it comes in like a center part or a side part, in order to change the part, you gotta add some water, you gotta go in with a hot comb, you actually have to put some work in it to switch it up. So that's why I had to wet that up. Now my part might not be very much centered, but I'll try and fix that up afterwards. Okay, that looks good actually. And I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb just to flatten it just a bit. All right, I did not think I was gonna love the center part as much as I actually do, but I'm feeling it. It looks so good. I love it. So yeah, this is the center part. Let me know in the comment section what style you guys prefer, the side or the center, but yeah, this is the center. She's cute. I love her. And I actually love how easy it was to change the part, because again, because it's curly, I was able to wet it and it still looks good. With straight hair, I find it's a little bit harder to change the part, but yeah, it looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it into my last and final style. I don't wanna put it in too much of a high ponytail, I just did a effortless half ponytail, so not like I couldn't pull the sides up because obviously this is not a frontal, but yeah, this is how it's looking. I think this is super cute as well. So yeah, this is pretty much the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you do, comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this wig and this video, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys so much and thank you for watching. Bye.